Hi, hello. Welcome to AM Collections. We are back with some beautiful tassels today. We're going to show you some tassels with zari borders as well as without zari borders also. So these tassels are actually block printed, few are hand painted and few are screen printed. So what we have done is we have given a handwork touch up to these saris. So each and every sari comes with a hand embroidered work. Today we have got some 8 saris and we're going to show you each and every sari in detail, and we're going to tell you the prices also. So if you want to block any particular sari, you can just click the link given in the description, take a screenshot and you can WhatsApp us. And each and every sari is 100% silk, hand woven tussar silk, Kachi tussar silk. It comes with silk mark certification as well. Okay, let's start with a beautiful tussar. It's a beautiful tussar, guys. That's your pallu. That's your pallu. And you can see there is a kanta stitch work is being done. I'll show you in closer. The flowers look like pichwai art, and you can see the work here. There's a kanta stitch work, completely hand embroidered kanta stitch work in a contrast colors. Like they have taken a pallu color, and you can see the work over here, guys. It has that kanta stitch touch up is been given on this sari. That's the complete view of the sari. Throughout the sari it goes like that, and yeah, see the draped look. That's your draped look, guys. See the work. See there is a work. Each and every flower is being done with the kanta stitch work. So first of all, it's a handloom sari, and then it is being done with a screen print, and then this kanta stitch. So this is an exclusive piece.
See, the pallu has got
That's your pallu. Pallu has got the geometrical figures type striped look with a bottle green color and as well as earthy brown color. That's your blouse part. That's your blouse. So blouse backside you have got these floral motifs similar to the sari. This is a first sari, which is tussar color with earthy brown color and bottle green combination. Such a unique color combination. And see the print, guys. This is not block printed sari, and the sari length is 6.5 meters. Yeah, throughout the sari the print goes like that. And the
so for the pleats also?
Yeah, for the pleats also there is a kanta stitch work. Yeah, let me show you. That's how the sari is, and you'll be getting a bottle green color blouse, completely contrast blouse. So this sari is priced at 5,600. This comes with silk mark certification. This sari comes with silk mark certification, 100% tassel silk. This is priced at 5,600. This is a sari number 1. It has got that complete digital print, not at all block print, guys. We'll show you another one. Let's see our sari number 2, which is again a digital printed tussar. See here, throughout the sari, the borders, the temple borders has got kanta stitch highlight. Yeah, see the kanta stitch work over here. It's like temple kind of kanta stitch has been done. This is such an exclusive piece. You can see the borders. Borders are like, you know, it has tribal art type of borders. Rustic. It has got that rustic look, guys. And the sari color is it's an yellow color. That's your pleats. Throughout the sari it goes like that. I mean the borders has got that kanta stitch highlight. So beautiful sari it is. కొంచెం పెద్దగా పెట్టుకో అందుకే వచ్చేసాను పళ్ళు yeah, that's the pallu. Pallu also has got the kanta stitch temple kind of kanta work. It's completely handcrafted work on a digital printed tussar. This is not block printed one, it's a digital printed tussar. So you'll be getting a self digital printed blouse. See the color guys, it's kind of wineish brown color.
Chocolate.
Wineish brown color. Yeah, it has got that self printed. Complete blouse has got self print.
Kind of tribal.
Yeah. See the block print? It's like printed throughout the blouse. It has got that self printed one. So that's the color. So this is also priced at 5,600. It comes with silk mark certification. These are digital printed tussars with kanta stitch work. So this is a sari number 2. Sari number 1 and 2 will be shown again in the last of the video. So guys, please stay tuned. There are more beautiful collections are yet to come. Let's see a royal blue color. It is also without zari border only. Those who don't like zari borders, no, they can go with these saris. These are exclusive ones. Yeah, you can see that this is a discharge print. This is not block print guys, it's a discharge print. You can see the pallu. Pallu is so beautiful. Amazing pallu. Yeah, see the pallu. Pallu also has got kanta stitch highlight. Yeah, that's your pallu. See there is a greyish stripe, wineish stripe.
You can turn the side, right? Turn the side.
Yeah, that's your body. It's a discharge print, not block print guys, with a grey color borders. It's a unique color combination, royal blue with grey color. And pallu has got multicolor work. See the work? Pallu has got similar tribal art. I mean we have taken the same tribal art in terms like we made it with kanta stitch. So the same tribal prints are there in the pallu with kanta stitch. Yeah, this is a unique piece. Every sari, each and every sari is a single piece guys. We have only one piece with us and we don't make anything in pre-booking. We believe in exclusive and unique, so unique pieces should be like, you know, those should be single pieces. So that's your blouse. Wow, blouse is really awesome. Blouse is grey color blouse with a backside work for the I mean there's a kanta work for the back part. Yeah, that's your blouse. It's a grey color, 100% silk guys. It is 100% tussar silk, comes with silk mark certification. See the back side, it's completely hand stitched one. You can see the knots over here. Yeah, such a beautiful piece with sober colors in the pallu. Pallu is the highlight for this sari, I must say. Pallu has a gray color. It has a wine. It has a, you know, biscuit color. It has a light green color also. Each and every stripe has got kanta work. So this is priced at 5,600. Let's move on to our sari number 4, which is a zari border tussar with a digital print. These are digital printed ones guys, not block printed. Block printed saris won't come with so much of work. Complete sari has got a block print and you can see the pallu. This particular sari, the pallu has got kanta work. See, there's a kanta stitch work on the pallu.
backside part of the saree.
That's the backside part, and you can easily make out that this is yeah, that's the whole of the sari. This is very rich. I mean, the color combinations are very classy. So these saris are in discount, guys, and yeah, you can see the draped look, so elegant. I mean, the color combinations are very rich and classy. Pallu has got the similar patterns like you see in the body part. We have taken the similar patterns and we have got the same patterns on the pallu with kanta stitch. So now you are seeing the blouse part. Wow, blouse has got kanta work for your backside part. So that's the kanta work for the back, and you are getting a contrast green color blouse. So let's see the sari again. See, such a beautiful piece. It comes with silk mark certification, 100% Gachi tussar it is. Pure 100% silk, comes with silk mark certification. Throughout this sari, it has got that digital printed patterns, and this sari comes with 3 inches of zari border. Yeah, this is priced at 6,000 rupees. Zari border tussar priced at 6,000 rupees. Let's see another beautiful one with zari borders. Wow, this is a very nice color combination. And this sari has got lots of kanta work.
The whole of
Complete sari, I mean, on the
upper part.
2 meters from the pallu. See? See, that is complete kanta stitch work. You can see the knots over here. This is an exclusive piece, guys. So every sari is single piece only, because these saris are unique and we don't take any customizations also. Hi Nandini, the price of first sari is 5,600, and we're going to show you those sari number 1 and 2 again in the last of the video. Hi Veena. Hi Pratisha, thank you so much. Yeah, this is our zari border one with heavy kanta stitch highlight. So after the pallu, so it's like till 1 meter there is a huge kanta work, thread work. So throughout the sari there is a fishes concept in the borders, lower borders, and it's like Rama blue color with a navy blue color combination. Such a nice color combination it is. Those who don't go for blacks, you know, they can go with this navy blue color. It looks almost like black, but it's not black. It's dark navy blue.
Dark gray.
It's dark navy blue color. So let's see the blouse part. Blouse also has got this fishes kanta work for your sleeves. So this is a nice color combination. Yeah, that's your sleeves work. You can use that work for your sleeves or else for back also. So this particular sari has got huge kanta stitch work. This is priced at 6,200. This is priced at 6,200. So let's see another one, which is a digital printed one again. So these are digital printed tussars, guys. Hi Gitanand, thank you so much. Hi Sirisha, thank you. Thank you Nagamani. Yeah, this is a nice digital printed one. See, it has got that. Yeah, it's a wine color borders one with kanta stitch on the borders. That's your sari. Yeah. And the color combination is really pretty. I mean, you could see that there is a kanta stitch outline for the figures over there. So yeah, let's see the blouse part. That's the sari. It's a pure tussar one without zari borders. And blouse is, it's a contrast blouse with the same figure kanta stitch work for the blouse. That's your blouse. So this sari comes for 5,600. Let's see another one. It's my favorite one. Wow. See, it's a really beautiful piece. Wow, so beautiful, no? It has got so many pastel shades with black color combination.
As you can see, these are butterflies.
These are butterflies. You know, the same butterfly we have taken and we have done this ari work. It's completely handcrafted work. You could see that ari work has been done on the borders. Yeah, let's see the open view. Wow. See the borders, guys. See, the borders has got that butterfly work, ari work, which has been done with ari. So that is also handwork. So beautiful work it is. I mean, the sari looks so amazing. Black with so many pastel shades. Isn't this beautiful? So nice sari it is. This is pure tussar, guys, without zari borders, and there is a ari work on the borders. And it has got so many shades. You can see in the borders, there are so many shades. This is also digital printed one. Let's see the blouse. Wow. Blouse also has got that work for your back part. See, there's a butterfly work using ari is been done for your back part. So it's a mustard yellow color, completely contrast. The same color is there in the borders, lower borders. It's a bright color. Yeah. So every sari, each and every sari is a single piece, guys. So if you want to block any particular sari, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us to the link given in the description. So this is also priced at 5,600 only. Last one, which is a special sari. Wow. See, this is a digital printed one with nice color combination. See, it has got that kanta work has been done on the parrots over here. And the color is amazing color. Those who like light, sober colors, no, this is best choice for them. It has got that light, light pastel wine color in the borders. So classy. See the work. Yeah. And there are 1 inch borders in this sari, zari borders, not 3 inches borders, just 1 inch borders. So this is a special sari in this complete edition. It's a beautiful sari with digital printed patterns. It has got that pom-poms as well, tassels on the ending pallu. See there is a parrot's bunch is been done with kanta stitch on the blouse as well. So the blouse is dark red color it is. So this is a special sari in this edition. This is priced at 6,200. This is priced at 6,200. These are digital printed tassels. Throughout the sari you will be getting heavy work. This is not a block printed one, guys. So if you want to block any particular sari, just click the link given in the description and you can WhatsApp us. Let's see our sari number 1 and 2 again. This is sari number 1. See, that's your pallu. So it's a digital printed one with a cream color, tussar color base and earthy brown color, and it's an olive green color. Yeah. The flowers has got that kanta stitch outline. So beautiful color combination. Very nice saree it is. This is priced at 5,000. So let's see the blouse. That's your blouse. That's your blouse. So yeah, let's see our saree number 2, which is yeah. Mustard yellow one with temple kanta stitch work. So the kanta work is been done throughout the borders and as well as pallu. Like you could see the temple work. Yeah, the temple work has been done with kanta stitch. So it's a digital printed one. With the tribal printed patterns on the borders. Yeah, this is a saree number 2. Let's see the blouse part. Blouse is yeah, it's a self printed one. Brownish wine color it is. The self printed throughout the blouse part. It's like throughout 1 meter it is self printed. Yeah, such a nice saree it is. So this is also priced at 5,600. We're going to show you some tussar kalamkaris also in the same video. Yeah, we'll show you.
Red one is also good.
Yeah, we'll show you. This is a tussar kalamkari, desi tussar kalamkari. See the quality. Yeah, let's start with a red color one with indigo color borders. This is an exclusive kalamkari. We have done videos like yeah, we have done so many recorded videos, but this is the first time we are showing this beautiful kalamkari collection in live. This is so beautiful. I mean, throughout the sari it is completely hand painted. Yeah, it's so beautiful one. Throughout the sari it is hand painted and the texture is absolutely stunning. I mean, you will love the texture. It just sits on your body. It is not very stiff. It's so nice, flowy. I'll show you in a single layer also. Please show in single layer. See the single layer look. Yeah, Yeah. That's a single layer view. I mean, it is not at all transparent. You could see the texture, guys, and it is completely hand painted using organic colors. We are mentioning these are 100% organic colors, and it gives you that smell, you know, that milk and ghee smell comes from the sari. I mean, that from the organic colors we used. So these are not at all pigment colors. Thank you, Bharati. Yeah, it is so beautiful. So beautiful one. If you want to block any of these saris, just click the link and you can WhatsApp us. The price of this particular sari is 13,500. This is priced at 13,500. It's a red color kalamkari with indigo borders, and it's a heavy desi tussar, not the normal one. And you can see the blouse. Blouse is in mustard yellow color. Even the blouse has got complete kalamkari work. See the blouse. So beautiful it is. That's the one layer view. See how flowy it is. It is not stiff at all. It comes with 100% silk mark certification. Let's see our sari number 2 in this collection. It's a green color, bottle green color with orange color borders. It's a unique color combination. Yeah. See the color? Many were asking about this bottle green color, so we have got this color with orange borders this time. See the flowers, and even the kalamkari looks so modern. It's a modern kalamkari. Hi Rashmi, the price of this particular sari is 13,500. So beautiful. I mean, it just sits on your body. So beautiful sari. Throughout the sari, and this kalamkari has been done. Complete sari, 6.5 meters. Kalamkari work has been done using organic colors. And there is no god figures at all on the pallu, and that's your blouse. Blouse is also completely hand painted one. I know Geeta Anand, I know about you. Yeah. Because this is the first time we are showing in live. Kalamkari for the first time in live, yeah. Let's see our next one. This is also priced at 13,500 as I already told. This is a beautiful indigo color with orange borders. Yeah. See the pallu and see the kalamkari work. Amazing work. I'll show you the tussar color, guys. Come a little closer. This is the tussar color, and you can see the tussar quality. It's amazing. This is the tussar we use, and it's see the quality. That is why you are getting this texture. This is not gicha. This is not at all. This is the natural color tussar, and this is yeah, that's the open view of it. This is the open view. Wow, that's a draped view, guys. See the pallu? Yeah, see how beautiful it is. This is also priced at 13,500. So throughout the sari, it's completely hand drawn, and you can smell it, guys. There is lots of milk and ghee smell coming from these saris. That's the tussar color, the original natural tussar color, without any dye. So you can make out that the quality of the tussar from this. It's beautiful. So this is priced at 13,500 as I already told. Let's see the blouse.
Yes, the pallu has got maroon color. So
Yeah, that's your blouse. Beautiful blouse. Let's move on to our next sari, which is an olive yellow color. These saris are new in the collection. We are straight away showing in live. It's an olive yellow one with bottle green borders. Wow, it has got the grey pallu. And the kalamkari looks so modern. It's modern kalamkari. Yeah. See the beautiful pallu. So beautiful pallu it is. It has got pallu has got grey color, and the blouse is, it should be a grey. Let's see what's the blouse color. It's a grey color, guys. It's a lovely grey color. See the colors on this. I mean, it's too beautiful. That's your pallu. There is no god figures in this saree. The colors which we use these colors, like, you know, these are organic colors. No pigment colors, no chemical colors are being used. Completely organic. Using hand drawn pen kalamkari. Authentic kalamkari it is. This is priced at 13,500. With this, we are done, and we're gonna come live again with some beautiful Varalakshmi Vratam collections. We're gonna show you some budget-friendly handloom sarees. I mean, those are Karnataka handlooms. We will come back with those collections. Most probably tomorrow. I'll intimate you in the group, in the page. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting us and keep supporting handlooms. Thank you so much. Bye bye.